Do you want to grow in your field and gain more experience? Look no further because we have the best partners waiting for you. For those interested in the field of medicine, we've got amazing partners like WellPoint Asinbacor and its branch at WellPoint Bermosa as well as lab experts.
These partners are leaders in the healthcare industry, offering hands-on experience in clinical work, medical diagnostics, and patient care.
Want to dive into engineering? We've got you covered. With DOPS PPO,
where you can get involved in IT and software development, South Tools focusing on mechanical and industrial engineering, and BP Waterworks, which focuses in water treatment and environmental engineering. Whether it's tech, mechanical, or environmental engineering, you'll gain practical experiences while working with the best.
So I'm Leander Pastrana from Tobstem Einstein, and the most valuable lesson that I have learned in work immersion is that all of your grades and awards doesn't really matter that much. It's all about the skills and the experience that you will learn. Kasi nung na-encounter ko dun sa work immersion, even though they have a lot, yung ibang employees have a lot of awards, yung iba dun cum laude pa, then yung iba hindi naman, pare-pares lang naman sila ng ginagawa, pare-pares lang sila ng trabaho, pare-pares lang sila ng sweldo. So, I think you should make the most out of your life, and instead of focusing on just your studies, you need to live your life to the fullest. And factor lang din naman talaga yung awards, pero I think experience is the most is the best teacher. Experience is the best teacher. Thank you.
so just like the student I interviewed, you too can learn valuable lessons and gain the experience that you need to succeed in your future career. So let's not miss the opportunity to immerse ourselves with our OJT partners. Be assured that the experience will take your passion to the next level.
So get ready to grow, learn, and succeed with our trusted OJT partners, because your journey begins now.